Alright guys, back to a new video. Today I have an amazing car. This is the new BMW M3 Competition xDrive 2022 version, and in this video I will make the test drive. I already make the full review, so if you want to see the full review with the car, check out on my channel. The video is already there. Today it's all about driving. We will drive the car and we will see how it's on the road. But before that, I want to give you some technical data. So if you are in Switzerland or around Switzerland, check out Automatic in Bern. I will leave the link in the description of the video. If you want to see the car, test drive it, buy the car, check them out. Also tell them you see my video, you come from me, and you will get a nice discount. Now guys, as I said before, I have with me the new BMW M3 Competition xDrive. That means it's the all-wheel drive version, and trust me, I drive it before. It's just fabulous on the road. You will see in the video. So the price with all those things right here, the final price usually should be 143,530 francs, but here at Automatic you already have a 14,530 francs discount, so the final price will be 129,000 francs. I will add the price in dollars so you can make an idea, but the car comes with some extra features. Also, you can pause the video and read it right here, but if you want to see the full review, I will explain you there also in details. Anyway, the color of the car, it's Skyscraper gray metallic, in case you want to find out the color of the car, because the other review it's with other color, so I just want to point this out. Now let's go to technical data. The car weight 1,901 kilograms, the estimated consumption 10.1 liter. Then you have 230 CO2 emission, and the car is in F efficient class. It's normal for this car. It's not the purpose of efficiency. The purpose of this car is, you will see it a little bit later. Anyway, the car comes with a 3-liter petrol engine, 6 cylinders in line, 510 horsepower, 650 Newton meters, all-wheel drive, connected with an 8-speed automatic transmission. And no, it's not the dual clutch transmission, it's a new torque converter transmission. In my opinion, it's better, it's a new technology, and you will see it anyway as we drive. Now the top speed of the car, 250 km per hour, 0 to 100 in 3.5 seconds. It's just whoa. I mean, it's fabulous. Now the ground clearance of the car, 12.2 centimeters. The car comes with ventilated brake discs in the front, ventilated brake discs on the rear. Both are cross drilled. In the front we have 6 pistons, on the rear we have normal brake discs, but they are in red brake calipers with M logo on them. They look super nice. Turning circle, 12.6 meter. Trunk space 480 liters, you probably know that. Front suspension, independent double wishbone coil spring with anti-roll bar. The rear suspension, multi-link coil spring with anti-roll bar. Those are the most important information about the car. If you want to find out more, check out the full review video. Now guys, let's drive the car, and in the end we will make the conclusion. Alright guys, let's have some fun. Here is the key, by the way, the same classic key from BMW with M logo on the side. I want to point out a few things here. 20-inch rims on the rear, red calipers, ventilated brake discs, cross-drilled brake discs. In the front we have 19-inch rims, 6 calipers on the brake, red brake calipers M, and also cross-drilled and ventilated brake discs. This car looks just phenomenal. We have carbon fiber on the roof. I also have on my channel already a full review video if you want to see it with this new BMW M3 Competition. Check it out on my channel guys. It looks just fabulous. I love the exterior of the car. Carbon fiber on the roof. Here the roof spoiler, here actually a roof spoiler, actually the trunk spoiler here, and also the way it looks, the exhaust pipes, and the car is just crazy. I mean, it's a beautiful car. What you can do with the key, you can see also in the review video. This video it's all about driving. Look how beautiful is this M3 Competition. We have pedals, aluminum pedals, electric adjustable seats, also the seats with M3 here. Lovely seats. Let's go inside the car guys. Close the door, leave the key right here. Look at this gear shifter with M on it. It's just fabulous. Press the brake, put my seat belt. Steering wheel, M steering wheel with carbon fiber on the side. We have pedals to change the gear manual if you want to, and also in carbon fiber. Lovely, great grip, love the stitches. start the engine, you already can hear a little bit. So aggressive, lovely sound. I like the sound personally. Also, you can change different driving modes. For example, if you press this mode, M mode right here, you can go in road mode. That means all the driver assistance system available. And if you go in sport mode, all the driver assistance system are inactive. And you can see also the cockpit is changing. Much more sporty, everything is focused on sportiness or driving. And if you hold it, you will go in track mode. Track mode mean everything driver assistance system cannot be activated. xDrive system in standby mode, do not use it on public road. I'm not going to use that, of course, but I just want to show you. Anyway, we will start in road mode and then we will go in sport mode. Also, I like very much this cockpit, this view and graphic on the cockpit. It looks lovely in my opinion. We have those buttons here, M1, M2. From here you can customize the way you want it. You can see every time you change it, it's changed also on the screen right there. So this is really interesting. And also you can customize. If you go in the menu, you can customize the way you want it. Also the sound here button, you have it for the exhaust, a little bit more aggressive. The car comes with 360 degrees camera and all that safety features. Also you can customize the way you want. M1 and M2, the engine sport, efficient, sport plus, the chassis, the steering, the brakes, the traction control. Even the traction control right now, you have the possibility to choose how you like to adjust it. So it's just incredible. Also on the gear shifter here you have 3 position. If you go in drive, you go drive right, and then you can change from down here the position of the gear shifter, and not the position, the settings I should say, where you can set it the way you want it. Anyway, really interesting the way you change the gears. 360 degrees camera, great resolution. Let's drive it, guys. Oh, head-up display, look lovely. Position of driving, it's incredible nice. I love the position. 12.2 meters is the turning radius in the car, by the way, but we will just have to turn around here. I just want to test the turning radius, but this car is here in this moment, so I cannot do that. I already feel that the acceleration, it's crazy aggressive. You feel immediately the difference between a normal 3 Series and this M3. When you press the acceleration, you have to pay attention because it's very sensitive, guys. You can see right here, super sensitive, I should say. The steering and the feeling until now is just incredible. You feel like you're sticking to the ground. I drive it before a little bit and I was like, wow. I was really impressed with the stability of the car. Actually, let's go right here. Wow. The great part on this BMW 3 Series competition is that you can use it as a daily driver, like a family car. You can drive slowly, you can drive in comfort mode, and it feels like a normal car. But when you put it in sport mode, everything changed, guys. Also the car comes with the latest technology from BMW. Also the steering wheel feel quite soft. I was impressed to see that. But if you go in sport mode, the things are changing, even the head-up display. I have to drive a little bit slower. Oh, the sound is so unique. But still the steering wheel, it's super soft. I was expect to be a little bit more stiffer, but it's quite light. Impressive how light it is. I didn't expect that. Oh my god. Oh boy. When you press the acceleration slowly and steady, it's so smooth, and when you push it down, man, then it starts. Oh boy. Oh wow, it has a little bit of delay. You press the acceleration and you go down, and then it's wait 1 second, and the second it just explode. It's just like, wow, it pull you back in the seat. Incredible. I love the feeling. It's just, whoa, a proper sporty car. Oh boy, BMW know how to do those sporty cars. Man, and the turning radius seems to be so small. I don't know, 12.2 meters. It seems to be better than that. It seems to me to be a little bit better than that. Oh my goodness. Wow, the stability, the way its grip on the ground is just incredible. I mean, such a good grip. Wow, it's kind of a proper, it feels like a proper four-wheel drive that grip the ground, doesn't allow any escape in terms of slip ring. But what impressed me the most, guys, is the fact that wow, the brakes are also awesome. Is the fact that it's quite silent when you drive normal. It's like a normal car. You just press the acceleration and it's transforming a beast. It's undercover. It's lovely. The position is perfect. The grip, the steering wheel, the quality. It feels so nice. The most impressive for me, is the fact that steering wheel, it's mega light. I don't understand why the steering wheel, it's so light. Why it's so light? Why the steering wheel it's light? That's the only thing that I was expect to be a little bit stiffer. I think you can also, it's put in comfort, but I think you can change it as well. If you go here, you don't have this sport comfort, and then you can go in sport mode and you can change it. When you go to M1, you can hear the exhaust. Also sound insulation from exterior, it's just perfect. You can hear only your engine, you hear it. If you go M2, phenomenal. Incredible car. Incredible, really incredible. The tires, they are also very good quality. You can feel that. Wow, the way it stays on the ground is just wow. Oh, I want one. Splendid, splendid car. No words, no words, guys. It's probably the best sporty car out there in this class, and it's kind of a great all-arounder for family driving, daily driver, and you have also a beast undercover. The technology, the mechanics behind the BMW are just fabulous. Look at this. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is it. This is what I'm talking about. This is a proper car. This is a proper car. Oh man. Parking. Yay. That was the test drive, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get some useful information from it. I love the car, I have to tell you. It feels good to drive this car. It gives you that adrenaline, it gives you that, make you smile. I mean, you start your day really happy if you would have this car. I really tell you that, guys. I'm super impressed about it. Let me stop the engine, make a little bit more silent here. It's incredible. My rating for this BMW M3 Competition from 1 to 10, it's 9.9. It's just incredible. It's just the price. It's a little bit expensive, but taking into consideration BMW put a lot of technology here in the car, it's understandable. And wow, the position here in the seat, the steering wheel grip, the cockpit, everything, it's every button here, it's in perfect position. Even the seat, even the pedals, you sit even lower than before. Great visibility. I love it. Splendid car, really splendid car. So BMW, great job with the car. If you want to see the full review, I have another video on my channel, check it out. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you want to see the car, buy the car, or test drive it, check out Autofaker in Bern, guys. Tell them you see my video, you come from me, and you will get a nice discount as well. Also, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I will really appreciate that. Thank you again. Stay safe and see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.